How to quickly unblock someone on Facebook Messenger. This is super easy. Tap on the Messenger app on your device and open it. It comes out like this. Tap on this three line at the base of the screen. Now go ahead and tap on the settings button. From settings button, guys, tap on this privacy and safety button here. Now scroll down here until you see this option, who can reach you. Then you see here the third option under that say block account. Tap on it. Once tap on it, then it comes out like this. You see the block account here. Tap on it again. It comes out like this, guys. Tap on this button to unblock it. Just wait a few seconds. That's all, guys. You've been able to unblock somebody on your Facebook Messenger account. If you get this tip and if you not subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.